If you're looking for a piece that captures that perfect boho chic aesthetic for the transition into fall, this summer printed 3/4 sleeve ruffle elegant dress is an absolute standout. We've all seen dresses online that look great in photos but fall flat in person, but this one is a rare find that reviewers actually say looks better in real life. The first thing that grabs you is the color palette. It features a rich, earthy floral print that leans heavily into those warm autumn tones, making it incredibly versatile. The 3/4 sleeves are finished with a delicate ruffle detail, often called a lettuce trim, that adds a touch of femininity without being too girly. It strikes that difficult balance between being professional enough for the office and relaxed enough for a weekend brunch. The silhouette is designed to be flattering and easy to wear. It has a high-waisted, flowy cut that provides a lot of movement, which is perfect if you're looking for something that is comfortable for all-day wear. The material is a 100% polyester blend that feels soft and lightweight, yet has enough structure to maintain that elegant drape. Reviewers have highlighted that while the dress feels comfortable, the bust area can run a bit small relative to the flowy bottom, so that is something to keep in mind when choosing your size. Speaking of sizing, the feedback from the community is very helpful. While about 86% of customers find it fits true to size, some regular buyers suggest that because it's a #1 bestseller sourced from a boutique-style shop, you might want to size up if you prefer a roomier fit in the chest. It's available from small all the way to XXL, so there is a fit for almost everyone. With a near-perfect 4.9-star rating and over 2,600 units sold, the consensus is clear. This is a must-have transition piece. One verified purchaser even mentioned that the picture doesn't do it justice, praising the quality of the material and the comfort of the fit. If you're ready to add a timeless, elegant staple to your wardrobe that works just as well with a pair of boots as it does with sandals, this ruffle elegant dress is a fantastic value. It's chic, it's durable, and it's a total conversation starter. Don't forget to use the exclusive coupon code CALM93176 at checkout to lock in an even better price on this trending item. Thanks for watching, and stay stylish!